Good morning, sir. Myself, Ramya Kulkarni. Today, I am going to speak about the topic Smart Traffic Analysis using Machine Learning. Abstract. The major cause leading to traffic congestion is the high number of vehicles, which was caused by the population and the development of economy. India is the second largest road network in the world. In the smart city, roads would be equipped with the sensor for analyzing traffic flow, and also there are few traffic analysis. So here is the project solution for traffic analysis using random forest algorithm is being proposed, which would select only part of the idea for analyze and like to tire data and predict the traffic congestion of specific path and notifying well in advance the vehicle intending to move on that specific path. Table of contents. It contains introduction, literature survey, working nature of various models, advantages and disadvantages, conclusion and IEEE papers, then references. Introduction. India is the country of huge population. This includes data collected from citizens, devices, and assets that is processed and analyzed to monitor and manage traffic and transportation systems. A smart city is an urban area that uses different types of electronic data collection. So smart traffic analysis will play a very major role in the major cities of India and also other countries. Literature survey. Literature survey contains author analyzing road accident using machine learning and many more vehicle crashes and machine learning. Using machine learning to predict car accident risk helps to understand the causes and the factors that affect car crash severity. Predicts accident risk per road segment every hour. Working nature of various model. It contains dataset generation, then feature identification on, next feature extraction, then it contains ML algorithm used analysis data result, then last it verification.
Okay,
The
explain in detail.
I will explain, sir, now. The TAM algorithm that is identified for this specification will have the following sets. It contains dataset generation, feature identification, feature extraction, machine learning using analysis verification. It all parts contain like this. Dataset generation. The dataset for the project is generated based on available datasets for traffic analysis. The dataset will be in the form of a .csv file. We have to represent in the form of .csv file. Feature identification, the necessary features for the project are to be identified like item, distance, delay, vehicle number, etc. Then feature extraction. Feature extraction will be in general to make use of dimensionality reduction procedure to reduce and consider only those like the time, distances, nodes. It will consider between which the traffic is general is identified. Next, machine learning algorithm used for analysis. The machine learning algorithm that is used for the traffic analysis, we used for TAM algorithm is the algorithm. So traffic is more or less in a particular area based on dataset loaded to the algorithm. Verification. The verification step will check whether the analysis done on the dataset is proper or not. This means the analysis is a step by giving the proper result or not. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. Smart traffic analysis will help the users in finding the shortest path to the destination without any loss of time. The system that is being developed will help in time, travel a person, and also would help in the safety of person by avoiding the accident. The disadvantages, random forest algorithm provides accuracy only up to 87%. It doesn't use real-time information. The dataset used doesn't provide actual speed. Conclusion. The main idea behind this project was not only to analyze the traffic, but also recommend a new route. The traffic analysis model based on this random forest algorithm is presented. I would like to conclude by saying the need for using the machine learning of this project. It is because the analysis is being performed on random data. The machine learning algorithm will help in training the model for new data, which basically needs learning. IEEE papers. references using machine learning, D. Venkata Shiva, smart city, machine learning. Thank you.
Hello, madam.
Yes, sir.
How exactly TOM algorithm is work in this traffic analysis and all?
Uh, 1 second. It will control the traffic, sir. Exactly. Data set generation means it will generate the data. So then the feature will be identified.
You are using in here ML algorithm is TOM algorithm you are using, right?
Yes, sir.
What exactly is this? How exactly it works?
Starting, we have to insert ATM card, sir. Next, it will we have to select language. Then you have to enter 4-digit ATM pin, select the type of transaction next step. Then you have to select type of account. Then we will, like that, it will work, sir. Algorithm will work, sir.
I am asking related to traffic. Okay, that algorithm is using for monitoring traffic and all, right?
Yes, sir.
Your example is telling ATM and all.
I gave examples, sir.
Hmm?
It was easy examples, sir. So I.
Okay, madam.
It will work step by step, sir.
Okay, you stop the recording.
Okay, sir.